Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury performance sedans of the year, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG E63. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates high-end design and cutting-edge tech, this one's going to be exciting. Let's kick things off with what's under the hood, because that's where the real magic happens. The 2026 x 10 to the power of 63 is powered by a hybrid-assisted 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8. Yes, Mercedes is keeping the V8 alive, but with a twist. The electric component isn't just for better fuel efficiency, it adds instant torque and sharpens performance. Combined output, we're talking somewhere in the neighborhood of 700 horsepower and over 900 nanometers of torque, though final numbers may vary depending on the market. This translates to blistering performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3 seconds. And thanks to Mercedes' 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, you're getting incredible traction without sacrificing rear-wheel drive dynamics when you want them. It even features a drift mode, so this luxury sedan can party like a sports coupe when you're in the right setting. But performance isn't the whole story. The 2026 x 10 to the power of 63 gets a major design refresh. It's more muscular, yet more refined. The front end is dominated by a sleeker, more aggressive grille, flanked by slimmer digital headlights that almost look like they're carved into the body. The AMG-specific front bumper, wider track, and power domes on the hood give it that unmistakable performance presence. Around back, you've got quad exhausts, a subtle rear diffuser, and optional aero elements for that extra flair. Step inside, and you're greeted with the latest MBUX Superscreen setup. It's basically a wall-to-wall digital experience with high-res displays for the driver and passenger, and an intuitive interface that combines touch, voice, and even gesture controls. AMG-specific graphics and performance telemetry let you monitor everything from G-forces to lap times, if you're ever tempted to hit the track. Comfort hasn't taken a back seat, either. You get massaging seats, premium leather, customizable ambient lighting, and a Burmester 4D surround sound system that turns the cabin into a concert hall. And of course, it's packed with all the latest driver assist tech. Think adaptive cruise control, lane centering, auto lane changes, and even level 2 semi-autonomous capabilities. What makes the 2026 x 10 to the power of 63 really stand out is how it balances everyday usability with outrageous performance. You can cruise comfortably on the highway, drop the kids off at school, and then annihilate a back road on the weekend, all in the same car. So, is the 2026 Mercedes-AMG E63 still the king of high-performance sedans? Honestly, it makes a very strong case. With its hybrid V8 setup, redesigned looks, tech-packed interior, and AMG handling precision, it might just be the most well-rounded E63 ever made. That's it for today's review. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the new E63 over rivals like the BMW M5 or Audi R7? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews coming your way. Catch you in the next one.